Hello everyone and welcome to this week's hula hoop class by Brittany Loren. Please excuse my area, it's a little messy. This is also my sewing room, so I'm working on some projects and it's a little messy.
So this week we're going to be focusing on a sequence that we're adding on to last week's sequence, which was our escalator sequence, as you can see. If you want to learn more about last week's sequence, please refer back to last week's video. Now I want you to think about the hand that you're starting with, because the hand that you start with is the hand that you end with in this sequence. It is also the hand that you will be starting with for this week's sequence. Coincidence? I think not. Also, practice on both sides. It'll be really good to get yourself rounded. So for this week's sequence, I'm really excited. The first movement that we're going to be doing is a hand coin flip. Whoop, whoop. This is what it looks like. It's lots of fun. I'm going to give a close-up. This close-up also shows you slowly how it works on your hand. And you can practice this slowly. This is actually me just doing it slowly rather than using a slow-mo effect. If you're new to this, I encourage you to use it. Practice that. You can also practice with it on the ground. And then as you get more used to it, you can go higher and higher and higher until da-da-da, you're super high. This next move that we're going to be working on is a walkthrough. So I want you to focus on lifting your knee up very high so that you can get the hoop over your head. This is what it looks like. I also want you to pay attention to my gripping. I grip with my hand on the inside of my leg by my thigh. I kind of let gravity let the hoop fall. This is a forward walkthrough, and this is a side walkthrough. We're going to be doing both of them in our sequence. Again, notice the grip and how high I lift my knee. With this grip, I'm taking my hand and turning it so that my palm is facing outward towards my shoulder. And you can combine them by simply turning your body, but you want to focus on keeping the hoop facing the same direction. It's kind of fun. Ta-da! From there, we're going to be working on another really fun skill. Yeah. It is a foot kick up. Pay attention to where the hoop is resting on my leg. Also, pay attention to my arms. They're doing a dive motion or a dive stance. Just like so. Practice on both sides so that you're well-rounded. And if your hoop gets stuck, it's okay. You can just kind of push it with your arms. I'll kind of show you this little fun trick you can use to just move it. And you can practice this trick if you'd like, just for some fun. You can also jazz it up. Make it look super fancy. I love to do that. Ready? Ready? Pizzazz. And hop through. Oh yeah. We're going to add that into our sequence. So when you do it, try to do a hop through. Woohoo! So that is our second sequence. So let's do it all together. Our escalators. Our roll, our walkthrough. Both sides. And our kick up with a little pizzazz. And hop through. Ta-da! Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. and I look forward to seeing you next week. Also,